Two for Tuesday, double up day, and many are wondering if the pump will continue. So we're going to be talking about altcoins. We're going to be talking about a little bit of crypto news. If you like these crypto rants, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur in the algorithms. The Patreon has been growing. The Discord, free Discord, has been growing. So consider checking out the links. Appreciate everybody that's been contributing to the growth of these Discords. But we got a lot to be positive about, because we've seen in the last, I want to say, month, our crypto portfolio literally go crazy. You can see here some of our favorite altcoins are up anywhere from 40% to 100% on the month. And many people have asked, will the crypto pump continue? And again, man, it's crazy when you see this, because I see a few narratives that I definitely wish that I had a little bit more skin in the game with. I need to, I got RVF, but Pancake Swap looking pretty good. The reason I said that, because a lot of people utilize Pancake Swap and Uniswap, but my bag is in RVF, Rocket Finance. But that's neither here or there. I want to talk about the entire altcoin market, what I'm looking at. We do got some news in cryptocurrencies. Now, this is interesting right here. And I'd love to know you guys' opinions on this, but the SEC is struggling to hire crypto experts, partly because the agency's employees can't own cryptocurrency. Now, why is this huge? Because these guys are trying to come up with a group of people that can tell them what's going on in the crypto space. They need experts, because a lot of these boomers, they just don't know how a decentralized network works. They don't know how crypto works, but they can't hire people because part of the policy is not owning cryptocurrency. But guess what? These experts, what do they know? They know that crypto is the future. So why would I join a job if I can't hold the future of finance? So again, they're struggling to find employees, and this is just another example, right, on why cryptocurrency is here to stay. I'm seeing a lot of influencers capitulate. I'm seeing influencers who used to, shield this token, shield that token. Now they're calling cryptocurrency a scam. So if we're not close to 4 levels, or if we're not, potentially putting that reversal in, because I think technically we're in an uptrend, and we'll talk about that. Crypto, in my opinion, is the future. Larry Fink himself, one of the biggest, if that's not one of the biggest catalysts, Elon Musk himself also believes in a decentralized finance ecosystem. And hey, Warren Buffett a few years ago said that cryptocurrency was rat poison. But check it out. Warren Buffett makes $250 million from crypto involved in Nubank. We did a whole video on this about a year ago, right? When we talked about how it was a contradiction, how Warren Buffett was saying Bitcoin was rat poison and this and that. Yet on the back end, right? On the back end, Warren Buffett is investing into cryptocurrency companies. So unreal. Watch what they do, not what they say. And then I've been seeing a lot of the people asking me about this Grok AI token, man. Look, none of these are the official Grok AI, which is the rival to Chat GPT. I think Elon Musk has kind of like came to the point where he's like, look, man, the Chat GPT thing is either influenced by left-minded or right-minded people. I'm not here to be political, but we need a more decentralized version of AI, and I think that's what Elon here is working to develop. So that's some of the news. We also got China opening up the doors for investors to invest into the Bitcoin spot ETFs. And then we got the market here where we're seeing a little bit of a pullback from Bitcoin and ETH. Now, taking a look at the dominance chart, you can see that the dominance chart capitulated, which is a sign that people are starting to put liquidity into the market. Now, you got to ask yourself, right? Is this new money coming into cryptocurrency? I don't know, because new money in most cases don't know how to utilize stable coins, right? These are experienced people that have stable coins on the side, looking to inject liquidity into the cryptocurrency market. So I wouldn't technically say this is new money coming into crypto. I mean, we can go to Google Trends here and check it out ourselves. Actually, let's go check it out here. If we go to Google Trends and we just type in we'll do crypto first. We'll do crypto and then Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency, right? You can see here, if we go the past 90 days, we want to see if there's a legit uptick. So you can see there's a legit uptick in cryptocurrency. So as far as November 2nd, a lot of people have been interested in cryptocurrency. We got a 100 score, which is very positive. We go to the year, you can see that the interest is coming up in cryptocurrency. So many would say that technically new money is coming into cryptocurrency, which is a positive thing, because we know in order for us to grow, we need new money to come into cryptocurrency. You can see here that the Bitcoin interest has tailed off just a little bit going into November, but the entire crypto market is coming up, which tells me that some of that profit from Bitcoin is now starting to roll into altcoins, and that's why we're seeing this little mini altcoin season. I wouldn't say it's all, altcoin bull run, but this is like a little mini rally as some of those altcoins who fell down, in some cases 99%, just showing a little strength in life, which is actually a positive thing. And if we take a look at Bitcoin on a daily, in my opinion, I just don't see strength from the bears. I said this on my Twitter. Make sure you go follow me on Twitter, Crypto Millie. You can see here, even though the stock RSI capitulated, we barely moved. Now, technically, this is bullish. This pattern is, you could say it's a 50-50 pattern. I want to say normally this is a bearish pattern. If you see the stock RSI capitulating and this breaks down, well, then we do got, a little bit of support here at about maybe 32 and then 30,000. But again, we didn't move. The stock RSI is at the point of resetting, right? And family, let me actually zoom out. You could see here, we didn't move. The stock RSI fell down, but we didn't move. So this tells me that if the stock RSI starts to go back up, that there's a potential that this pattern can break to the upside, right? I know a lot of people think that these well, you can call it whatever you want to call it, bull flag, bear flag, usually breaks to the downside if the flag is trending to the upside as we lose strength. But the stock RSI is giving us indicators that the bears have no strength, because even though the stock RSI is reset, normally the price would fall, would it? But the price isn't falling. The bears have no strength. You're seeing wick candles on the daily. Of course, this is the daily, so maybe we got a little bit more. We got a little bit more rally in the blood. And if we zoom out to the weekly, right? Let's zoom out to the weekly. Reset this here. And again, it's still early in the week. We are seeing stocks still get annihilated. So it seems like Bitcoin and crypto has decoupled, right, from the stock market, which is insane, because nobody's really buying bonds right now, which is also an issue, because this could put us in a recession. Nobody is interested in bonds. Wow, does that mean everybody's interested in crypto? Is everybody interested in buying crypto? Are the elites interested in buying crypto? We are peak bullish right now with the stock RSI hitting overbought levels, but it hasn't started turning yet. So as I stated in another video, this could hang out up here, and maybe we see something like 38K, 48K before we see our next correction. But we're clearly on an uptrend. You can see it, maybe 15, maybe this 14, 15, and all of this in December, January was the bottom, because we are clearly in an uptrend and now comfortably above the Gaussian channel on the weekly. So very, very bullish. Also, you also want to pay attention to the Bitcoin dominance, because you want to make sure that if the Bitcoin dominance falls from here on the weekly, that Bitcoin price still goes up. But if the Bitcoin dominance does fall and Bitcoin price does go up, well, that just tells us that we are one step closer, right, to a altcoin season. And actually, I can show you guys right here on the total 3 that even and I want to exclude Ethereum and Bitcoin, because the big daddy coins, they're the big daddy coins, they already good. You can see here, if we go to the weekly, on the daily, oh my, the altcoin market has been ripping. How many days in a row? That's like almost a month of straight ripping, right? Man, insane. You can see here on the weekly, let's actually zoom this down. Huge green candle on the weekly, just following the path. here. So is the next correction in sight? We are overbought, so the next correction could be in sight. But as long, so my nose itching, as long as we stay above this trend line here, technically we're still bullish and on a uptrend. So everything is checking out. I don't know if a lot of people are going to get scared with this next correction, because I mean it's coming. We don't just go straight up, and a lot of people are, to be honest with you, anticipating a healthy correction for entry points, which is good because we want more people to get into crypto. So a healthy correction shouldn't be anything that discourages you or scares you, because it's going to allow people that's been waiting on the sidelines to find their entry points. I don't know. I think that we're bullish, but I think we could get a nice Q4 correction, which is healthy in my opinion. That does not mean that I'm bearish or that I think like we're going straight down to 16K or anything like that. I just think that we get a healthy correction so more new people can come in to cryptocurrency. Let me know what you guys think. We do got 36 days into the next FOMC meeting where they're pricing in a 90% chance of a pause. So also good if we stay pausing like this. The next step, of course, is cuts. And we did see the VIX here capitulate from the 20s all the way to the 14s. And that's why we're seeing a little bit of rally here with altcoins and Bitcoin. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys. We'll continue to give you updates on the macro environment. I would watch the daily chart on Bitcoin to see if the bears can get any strength. Right now, they're not showing any strength. They getting pop, pop, bing, bing, pop, pop. Man, bulls putting their hands on the bears right now. Shorts getting absolutely wrecked, and this is a good sign for crypto in the future. Of course, anything happen. Black Swan can come and just knock us straight Black Swan, right? You know how they go. The SEC comes out and does something, says something, you know what I'm saying, about crypto. They're already like trying to hire crypto experts, right? And these guys don't even want the job because they can't hold crypto, and they know crypto is the future of finance, right? So a lot to look forward to, but be prepared. Be prepared. Proper preparation. I have liquidity on the sideline, to be clear as day. I know it's important to have liquidity in the sideline because like you got to be prepared for a new narrative or a new crypto to start flying, and just having that exposure is great. But if you have skin in the game, you're one step ahead. You have first movers advantage. If you're on the sideline, my question to you, how long are you going to wait on the sideline? Y'all let me know what y'all think about the macro environment. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.